Hi guys, I hope you are all well. Welcome to Arm Candy. We have another little small Darley for you today. This is a Mulberry Darley in the small size, and it's in the colour June, which is this kind of beautiful sort of beigey, stony colour. It's really gorgeous, almost like a clay kind of colour. I've probably got all of that wrong. Sorry if you disagree. You tell me what colour you think it is. But it's called June, and it's in the classic grain leather. And it's just a really lovely colour combination. The softness of the beigey colour and the gold, it just makes for a really beautiful, beautiful bag. I'll show you what it comes with first, because it's quite a treat. Mind the mess, we are renovating still. So, what you've got is you've got the envelope here, the Mulberry envelope, and inside is like a thank you card kind of thing from Mulberry. Thanks for shopping with us. So you've got that. You've got the Mulberry tissue paper with the trees on, the Mulberry tree on. You've got the care card, and you've also got the product card. So there's the care card, and there's the product card with the colour on and the product number. You also have the little Darley dust bag, and as well you've got a Mulberry paper bag. So it's like the whole, you get the whole experience with this one, because you get everything with it. And I love that. I absolutely love that. I like having the full experience. So I'll come back and show you the sizing of it. So you can have it as a crossbody or as a shoulder. So here it is as a crossbody. For reference, I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8. So there it is. And there it is as a shoulder. All the sizes will be on the website as usual, but that just sort of gives you an idea of the kind of size it is. So I'll talk you through the features of it. You've got a zip pocket on the back there. There you go. Can you even see? There you are. And then you've got the long gold chain strap. On the front, you've got the flat closure with the postman's lock. So I'll flip that over. And then inside, it's this really nice sort of maroony colour inside. I really love the colour of this one. You've got the main compartment. You've got a flat pocket there, a flat pocket there. You've got 8 card slots, 8 card slots. And then, is it the zip pocket I need to show you? I think that's it. Yeah, the zip pocket. There you go. And that sort of flicks down really nicely, so it's nicely tucked away. You could also pull through here the strap, and you can sort of adjust it to fit you. So I think that's all the features. It's a very simple bag, but I like how useful these are. They're a wallet on a chain kind of thing, but they've got enough room for you to use them in the day, in the evening. They're kind of an all-purpose bag, and that's why I really like the Darleys, especially in this nice little small size. So condition-wise, the exterior condition is in excellent condition. There's no marks on it whatsoever. The corners look absolutely fantastic. The back, the lid, beautiful. Interior condition is also excellent. Again, no marks. It looks just absolutely fantastic. Hardware I've called very good, because there are a few sort of hairline scratches on there, but there's no discoloration. I think there's a hairline scratch just there. That's the one that I was thinking of. And then on the little stud on the inside as well, there's a few little scratches, but other than that, it's not noticeable at all, really. And it's hardware. That's what hardware's for. But it's still in beautiful condition. It's still in very good condition. So exterior excellent, interior excellent, and hardware very good. So have a look at this little Darley on our website. We'll put the link to it in the description below. But before you go, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and put the alerts on, hit the bell so you get the alerts when we post a new video, because a new video means a new bag on the website. So yeah, you can click the link. This will take you straight to our website, to this bag. Whilst you're there, have a look at all of our other beautiful bags, purses, wallets. We've got loads of amazing stock in, loads coming in. So keep updated with what's on the website. Whilst you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter. You'll get 5% off your first purchase on Arm Candy. A pop-up will come up or go to the bottom of any page. put your email address in and we should send you an email with the discount code. Check your spam in case it goes there. Any trouble, just ask us. And I think that's everything. So I hope you all have a nice week and we'll see you tomorrow for some more arm candy.